Is your iPhone refusing to wake up? Don't panic. In the next 60 seconds, I'll share 3 proven solutions to bring it back to life. These tips are for general troubleshooting. If your iPhone is still under warranty or you're unsure, contact Apple support before trying repairs yourself. Sometimes the simplest reason is the battery is completely drained. Plug your iPhone into a wall charger using an Apple-certified cable and adapter. Leave it charging for at least 30 minutes before trying to power it on again. If your iPhone crashed, forcing a restart can help. For iPhone 8 or later, quickly press volume up, then volume down, then hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. This jumpstarts the system without erasing your data. If nothing works, try a different charging cable and adapter. If your iPhone still won't respond, connect it to a computer with iTunes or Finder and check if it's detected. If it is, you can restore or update the software. And that's it. 3 quick solutions to revive your iPhone. If these steps didn't help, it's time for a professional checkup at an Apple store. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more tech tips.